Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can go into settings instead, scroll down and tap on location. Then manage it from here by tapping on this switcher to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!